wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa. It's the quality for me. Anyway, guys, hey, we are shooting on a camera. Finally. I am here with another Takealot review. It's definitely more affordable than getting a ring light and a big tripod, and it's very portable and everything. Okay, I think I need to turn down the lighting. I feel like I'm a little bit too bright. Can you check? Okay, cool. I think that's perfect. So I have another Takealot unboxing review per. If I'm being honest, I've been using this for a while for like vlogs and everything. However, last year I did lose my phone and I lost a lot of footage and vlogs and everything. So I didn't back it up. I didn't back anything up, so I lost a lot of things, and in turn most of my vlogs were like gone. They literally gone. So even on Instagram, I'm like, I have to create new content, like constantly new content. But anyway, I've already unboxed it because I wanted to try it out and then give a review. Let's see if it focuses. This is a very affordable vlogging kit. So it is a tripod stand with a handheld grip, and I think it was 500 rand. Yes, it was 500 rand, and I got a free delivery because I think when you buy for more than 500 rand on Takealot, your delivery is free. And these are the features. It's folding tripod stand, handheld grip. It has a 10 brightness modes, dim to bright, LED continuous, portable photography, studio lighting. So it's basically, it fits a camera, it fits all smartphones, and it actually has a mic. So this is very affordable because for 500 rand you literally get a tripod stand, literally, and it's portable. You can place it however you want it. You get this that mounts your camera or your phone. You get a mic. This is a small little mic. I don't know if it works. I've never tried it on the camera. I've only tried it on my sister's phone and it works perfectly. And it has this lights, and it's very bright, you guys. Like, it's very bright. I forgot how to turn it. You can even control it with a remote. You connect it to your phone, and then you connect it to the Bluetooth, and it actually works for taking pictures. You can just place your camera or your phone on your stand and you take pictures. And yeah, and this is the cord for the mic. So let me show you the setup with my phone. So there are many ways to set it up, and these are shown here. You see, there's I'm gonna take a picture of it. There's a picture of a camera and a phone, so you can do whatever you need with it. And let me show you the various ways you can use this. So this is my phone that I usually record with. I'm put on do not disturb because wow. Okay, cool. So obviously you can put your phone like this. So when you want to take vlogs, Siri, no. So you want to take vlogs for TikTok and whatever, you can use it like this, or you can take pictures like this, you know. And then you can even place it on a surface, so you can record actually for vlogs and everything, for get ready with me. So you can just place it on the surface. It's nice and portable. It's very nice. And then you can insert your little light on the side, or if your phone is the other way around, you can insert it on top, or various ways. And you can insert the mic, you see. So it's literally like this, and this is what the cord is for. And then if you have an iPhone, there's obviously a portable intercord. So you can connect the intercord to your phone like so, connect this side to the mic, and then insert it here. And There's even adjustable. I just want to make sure it doesn't fall. It's even adjustable so the things are tight and it doesn't fall. But basically, this is the first setup. This is the first setup. You can actually just have it like so. I'll show you a video. I'll take a video when I'm done. So you can have it like so, or you can flip it around if you want to take videos for YouTube. This is very affordable. So this is adjustable when you take this out or when you want to make sure that it grips correctly and all that. Okay, so you just adjust this and you turn it the other way around. Oh guys, please just, I'm so sorry, these people are so noisy. So, and then so this is the, I'm going to show you ways to use it. So you can use it like so. This is the first way to use it. Hold it like this for vlogs and whatever, when you want to take content with your phone, when you don't want to carry your camera around. This is very nice. You can hold it like this. And another option is you can have it, you can have your mic here, connect them to your phone, you just adjust this. So this is fully adjusted. You can use it like so. Let's just say you want to take a vlog, but you want to make sure that you have the lighting for it and you have nice sound. So how do you use this? At first I didn't know how to use this. So you press and hold and voila. And you speak and you vlog. Can you switch the tripod, my tripod off, and then, so you can see how bright this light is. It looks small, but it is actually very bright. Like, I can even take out the tripod sometimes and just vlog at night or whatever if I don't have my camera or I don't have my ring light. So those are the functions, and you can literally put this however you want. You can put this on the side here, put this on the side here. What I want to do now is I want to put the mic on my camera and see if it works and see if the quality is better, because I know that this camera has what is it called? I want to say indoor mic. Hey you guys, I want to say indoor mic, but I know that is incorrect. But I know it has a mic inside that records. Oh, it has a built-in mic. I knew I was a smart girl. Anyway, so me clearer, Jay, but this vlogging kit is literally amazing. Okay, let me find where I can insert.
Hi Ma. Okay, I'm doing a voiceover and I'm sure you already know what it is. The mic didn't work on my camera, but it works perfectly on my sister's phone, which is an Android Samsung kind of thing. So I don't know if it's a problem with the mic or it doesn't work badly with this camera. But I was so excited to tell you more about this. But I'm just encouraging you to get this vlogging kit. It's very affordable and I like it very much. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have yourself an amazing, 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 amazing day. Mwah.